lag ruining your game? We've tested the latest routers so you don't have to. Stick around as we reveal the best gaming routers of 2025. Your next upgrade is just a click away. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give a thumbs up or down, and let us know in the comments which router you think is best for your setup. Your feedback helps us make better videos, and we love hearing about your experiences with these products. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Netgear Nighthawk RS100. Netgear has always been known for its premium, high-priced routers, but with the Nighthawk RS100, they're making Wi-Fi 7 technology more accessible than ever. This router is all about bringing next-gen performance to a wider audience, without the sticker shock you might expect from a brand like Netgear. While it doesn't offer the ultra-fast 6 GHz band, you'll find in the most expensive models, the RS100 supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, making it a strong dual-band option for most households. So what makes Wi-Fi 7 special? It's not just about raw speed, though you'll definitely notice faster downloads and smoother streaming. The real magic is in how Wi-Fi 7 handles multiple devices at once, providing a wider, more stable connection even when your home is packed with gamers, streamers, and smart devices. Even as a dual-band router, the Nighthawk RS100 is a huge upgrade over the basic modem Marquardt router combos that most ISPs provide. For homes with multiple gamers, PCs, consoles, and mobile devices, the RS100 delivers reliable performance without the high price tag. It's easy to set up, built with Netgear's usual quality, and offers some handy gaming features like device prioritization and easy parental controls. In our tests, the Nighthawk RS100 maxed out our broadband speeds and extended Wi-Fi coverage to those hard-to-reach spots where other routers struggled. If you want cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 performance at a reasonable price, the Netgear Nighthawk RS100 is one of the best gaming routers you can buy right now. Number 2. Asus ROG Rapture GT-BE98. If you're after the absolute fastest Wi-Fi 7 performance available, the Asus ROG Rapture GT-BE98 is the ultimate gaming router, but be prepared for a hefty price tag. This router is a beast, designed for serious gamers and power users who want the best of the best, no compromises. Let's talk specs. The GT-BE98 features quad-band Wi-Fi 7 with speeds up to a mind-blowing 24.4 gigabits per second. That's not a typo. This thing is built for speed. You also get top-tier wired options, including both 10 gigabit and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports. There are even two 10 gigabit ports, with one dedicated as a gaming port to give your gaming PC or console priority over everything else on your network. But it's not just about speed. The ROG Rapture GT-BE98 is packed with features, including advanced parental controls, a robust suite of gaming tools, and customizable quality of service settings. It's designed for gamers who demand the very best in both wireless and wired performance, and it delivers on that promise. Of course, all this performance comes at a price. At launch, it costs as much as a budget gaming PC. For most gamers, a Wi-Fi 6 or 6E router will offer better value for money. But if you have the budget, the latest hardware, and a super fast internet connection, the GT-BE98 is the pinnacle of gaming routers, delivering unmatched speed and features for those who want the absolute best. Number 3. Acer Predator Connect W6X. If you don't need the latest Wi-Fi 7 technology, especially since many devices don't support it yet, the Acer Predator Connect W6X is a fantastic budget-friendly gaming router. It uses dual-band Wi-Fi 6, which isn't the fastest out there, but it's more than enough for most users, especially if you're gaming, streaming, or working from home. The design is subtle with a touch of gamer style thanks to its sharp corners and angles. For connectivity, you get a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port for high-speed internet, plus 4 gigabit Ethernet ports, perfect for connecting your gaming PC or console for a stable, lag-free experience. The W6X also includes valuable extras like free security features and parental controls, which some competitors charge for. There's also a QoS option to prioritize gaming traffic, ensuring smooth online gameplay even when the network is busy. In our testing, the Acer Predator Connect W6X delivered strong performance for nearby devices and extended Wi-Fi coverage to areas that usually struggled for signal. While speeds did drop at longer distances, this router remains a reliable and affordable choice. If you're looking for a dependable gaming router on a budget, the W6X is a top pick. Number 4. Acer Predator Connect T7. The Acer Predator Connect T7 stands out as the best gaming router you can buy in 2025. You can use it as a single high-performance router or expand it into a powerful mesh Wi-Fi system for whole home coverage, ensuring every device gets a strong, stable connection, no matter where you are in the house. As part of Acer's Predator lineup, the Connect T7 is packed with advanced technology designed specifically for gamers. Acer claims it delivers wired-level latency, making it ideal for competitive online gaming without the hassle of running cables throughout your home. Key gaming features include a quality of service, QoS option to prioritize gaming or streaming traffic, robust security and parental controls, and 2 gigabit Ethernet ports for reliable wired connections. In our tests, the Predator Connect T7 delivered fast, consistent Wi-Fi speeds throughout the entire building. With a top speed of 11 gigabits per second, it's more than most people will ever need, but it's perfect for households with multiple devices and local multiplayer gaming sessions. If you want top-tier wireless performance and seamless coverage for all your gaming needs, the Acer Predator Connect T7 is a fantastic investment for 2025. So, which is the best? For unbeatable speed, features, and reliability, our top pick is the Asus ROG Rapture GT BE98. If you want the ultimate gaming edge, this is the router to get. But honestly, all 4 of these routers are excellent choices, depending on your needs and your budget. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and let us know in the comments which router you'd pick for your gaming setup. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.